Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the identity, what your SSO Club stands for, and which colors feel right. Sketch 1 to 3 concepts quickly. This reveals a clear direction. Once done, collect reference logos and any iconography that reflects your mission, and open a 1024 x 1024 canvas in your editor. Make sure to use RGB for web use and save a working file. You will iterate fast, so keep versions labeled with dates. This saves time and prevents accidental. You now convert the strongest sketch into vector shapes. Simple geometry scales best and prints clean. Use Boolean operations to merge or subtract shapes and align proportions using a grid. Once you have a primary mark, pair it with a word mark. Choose a font that stays legible at 16px and on pins. Make variations, full color, one color, and icon only. Then export SVG and 3 PNG sizes for immediate testing across profiles and mockups. You finish by exporting master files, SVG for scalability, PNGs at 512/256/64 for avatars, and a PDF for print. Create a simple brand sheet listing HEX colors, font names, and clear spacing rules so others can reproduce the logo. If something goes wrong, check contrast and legibility first. Increase stroke weight, simplify details, or switch to a bolder font. Finally, test the logo at small sizes and on dark backgrounds. Iterate until the mark reads clearly in every context.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.